Hello guys. So in this video we're gonna see how to prevent flaws in subject verb agreement and those stuff, right? So be the first rule, okay? Be you know be able to differentiate common nouns and pronouns. So this is the first rule, okay? So now if you don't know about common nouns and pronouns, you can just check my previous video. You'll be able to know. But you gotta differentiate that. Oh, what? Okay, so differentiate between, let's say, neither, nor, and either, are. Okay, so this is also during my previous video. Okay, 3. Title name, that is like a book name, that is starting letter caps. What? No, okay. I'll just zoom it in. No, come on. Is caps. Is capital, okay? For all the words. For all the words, it's gotta be capital. So it's singular. Okay, for example, let's say the 7 commandments. Okay? I'll write it a little neat somewhere else. Okay? Let's go to the second page. Okay, the 7 commandments. And you have the 7 commandments. Oh, okay. So this has ended. Okay. So now, even if you know the movie name or the book name of this, you gotta look at the title. This is caps, and this is caps. So this is a title, right? So now this is singular, and you have these two small, right? Only small. So this is plural. And if this s doesn't exist, this will again become singular. And we have the fourth rule. Let me just compare with he or she, with they. Okay, so able to find between singular and plural. Okay, singular or plural. Okay. So now, let's say he or she plays in the garden. They play in the garden. There's an S that seems to be plural, but that's singular, right? So now that's the difference. That for that you gotta use logic, taking examples like he or she, and then they, like that. So these are four main laws. What else? What else? Is there something else? Yeah, there's only one more, and that is, let me check just a minute. Yeah. So don't go blindly on logic. So you shouldn't go blindly on logic, right? You do need logic, but only until a certain extent. If you use logic too much, you're gonna lose marks. You also gotta use rules. Logic is for questions when you don't know the rules, right? Or you can't use any rules. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.